There's a moment when you realize someone just doesn't see you the same anymore. They stopped responding like they used to. They cancel plans. They act distracted. They don't ask how you're doing because they've stopped caring enough to ask. And the worst part? You don't even know what changed. But here's the truth nobody tells you. When someone stops valuing you, it's not always your fault. But how you respond in that moment. That decides whether you'll stay invisible or become unforgettable. So what do you do, without saying a single word, to shift how they see you? Let's begin. Step 1. Pull back your energy. The biggest mistake people make when they're not being valued? They try harder. They explain. They chase. They overcompensate. But what you don't realize is, your energy is still feeding the connection, even if they're not. So instead of reaching out, pull back. Let your absence speak. People only start valuing you again when they feel your absence. Not your explanations. Not your begging. But your quiet withdrawal. Step 2. Change your body language immediately. From this moment on, stop slouching. Stop making yourself smaller in their presence. Because even if you say nothing, your posture is broadcasting one of two things. I hope you still like me, or I am grounded in my worth. Stand tall, shoulders back, chin level. When you enter a room, pause. Take up space, move slower. More deliberately. People respond instinctively to what your body says about how you see yourself. So if you act like you're invisible, they'll believe it. But if you walk like your presence has weight, they'll feel it. Step 3. Stop over-smiling. This one might surprise you. Smiling too much, especially when you're uncomfortable, sends a signal of submission. It says, I need your approval, and people devalue what seeks approval. Instead, master the neutral, confident face. Soft eyes, relaxed jaw. No tension in the shoulders. Smile when something genuinely feels good. Not just to fill silence. This shift alone changes how people treat you, instantly. Step 4. Start mirroring their behavior, but silently. If they take hours to reply, wait hours before you reply. If they act cold or distant, match the temperature, calmly, not coldly. This isn't about playing games. It's about energetic alignment. People feel it when you're no longer the only one trying. They begin to wonder if they misjudged you, and curiosity is the seed of renewed respect. Step 5. Start investing in your life outside of them. If they see that you're waiting around for their attention, they'll never give it. But if they see you growing, glowing, enjoying life without them, that's when the value shifts. Start doing things for you. Read, walk, travel, learn, laugh. And let them notice, not because you said anything, but because they can see it in your eyes. You've remembered your worth. Step 6. Master the power pause. When they say something dismissive, don't argue. Don't defend. Just pause. Look them in the eye. Hold the silence. This nonverbal pause is one of the most powerful tools in communication. It forces the other person to feel the impact of their words. It creates space for awareness or guilt to surface. And it shows you are not emotionally dependent on their approval. Step 7. Don't explain your silence. When you stop engaging the way you used to, they will notice. They might test you. Are you okay? You're acting weird. Don't explain. Don't over-justify. Just smile lightly and say, I'm just in a different headspace right now. That's it. Let the mystery speak louder than your words. Because mystery is magnetic. And people value what they don't fully understand, but feel drawn to. Here's the truth. You don't need to yell. You don't need to beg. You don't even need to prove anything. When someone stops valuing you, the most powerful thing you can do is this: reclaim your energy. Return it to yourself. and radiate the quiet confidence of someone who knows they are worth so much more than being tolerated. And one day, when they feel your absence, really feel it, they'll come back around, wondering how they lost someone so rare. But by then, you may no longer need their validation. Because the moment you start valuing yourself again, you'll realize you never needed theirs in the first place. If this video spoke to your soul, make sure to like and share it with someone who needs to hear this today. Your worth isn't up for debate. Act like it. Live like it. And they'll feel it, even in your silence. See description below to discover powerful psychological secrets to make anyone value and respect you.